today. Time now for Jeff's Car Culture. Rare muscle car colors.
You betcha. And here we go. First one out of the box. Now, we've all seen these colors. You don't know what codes they are, but here we go. 1970 Plymouth Duster. We call this the Pink Panther.
Oh,
the 1970 Plymouth Duster in factory Pink Panther, paint code FM3.
Hey, everybody, look at my car.
Wondering what the code is one of the rarest, most eye-catching combinations to leave a Chrysler plant. While the Duster was designated as affordable, compact muscle car, ordering it in Pink Panther turned into a bold statement piece. The color was part of Mopar's high-impact paint lineup and officially only offered it for the short time in 1970. The next one on the block is a 70 Plymouth Cuda. Who figured? In violet, code FC7. Now, in violet, also known as what? Plum Crazy over at Dodge. It was one of Chrysler's high-impact colors, but surprisingly, a few buyers ordered it in 70 Cuda. Most stuck with the Hemi Orange or Limelight, which was the green color, leaving the purple Bruiser only to be the only one that's bold.
I think that John Hovis got one.
I believe so he does. When paired with the 426 Hemi or even a high-compression 440 in violet, gave the Cuda an unmistakable presence. That is a pretty car. I'd drive it. Next one, 70 Chevelle SS in Tuxedo Black, which is paint code 10. Tuxedo Black sounds common, but it's rarely chosen in 70, especially on the SS Chevelle. GM's bright hues like Cranberry Red and Phantom Blue dominated the dealer lots, while fewer than 1% of the SS buyers opted for the deep formal black. When paired with an LS6 454 and a cowl induction hood, a black-on-black Chevy SS became a menacing presence. It didn't need stripes or flare to make it a paint. There you go. Next one, 69 Dodge Charger in R4 bright red with a white top. Bright red code R4 wasn't rare on its own, but paired with a white vinyl top and white interior, you got a surprisingly uncommon setup for 69. Most buyers went with black or tan contrast instead of the high contrast combo. Add a 440 Magnum or a Hemi into the equation, and you've got a Charger that's hard to miss. Next one, Michael, is a 1970 AMX. Big Bad Green is what they call this. Paint code 00. AMC's Big Bad color lineup was in-your-face marketing moved on, and a Big Bad Green was by far the boldest. Available in special order only, this radioactive shade was rarely selected by AMX buyers, with fewer than 100 cars believed to have actually left the factory in this color. The AMX, with its two-seat layout, a 390 V8, already stood apart from the pack. Painted Big Bad Green, it became a statement car in every sense of the word. That's nice. Another favorite of mine is a 66 Fairlane GT Emberglow code V. Ford's Emberglow was one of those mid-60 colors that defines sort of like a description, part copper, part bronze, part burnt orange. It was available on the 66 Fairlane GT, rarely seen on high-performance versions like the GT390. With its 335 horsepower V8 bucket seats and optional GTA automatic, the Fairlane GT had solid muscle car cred. But painted in Emberglow, it looked like a concept car that slipped through the production line. And the last one is my favorite, 70 Pontiac GTO in what? Orbit Orange, code 5.
Looks yellow.
05. Orbit Orange is hard to miss, and that's exactly why so many few buyers chose it. Available in 70 only, the screaming high-letter shade was meant to grab attention, and it did. Just not in big numbers. Combine the orange Orbit with the Judge package and the Ram Air, all that good stuff, and you've got one of the loudest, fastest, and rarest Pontiacs ever built. It was too much for most buyers, but 1970, who cares? Collectors are lining up for them today. How about that?
Very nice.
Yeah.
Well done. All right. Thank you, sir.